Hello, this is Alok and I'm here with a fresh new tutorial where I'm going to teach you how you can bring a TensorFlow model, any model, and bring it into Unity and use it. Here I'm going to use image classification where I have trained this model to classify uh, image. So basically, I'll just show you the folder. So this is my Su image, and I'll tell you this. I found this all the image, all the assets from GitHub. So here I'm not going to tell you how to. I'm not going to train you how to train a model, but I'm just going to teach you that how you can use this model in Unity. So I already have a tutorial in YouTube, but this is a much complicated, but much advanced level. That the other one has just simple input and single output, but here it has a multiple inputs and with multiple output. So see, this is the 5 classes. It has images. It has the model has been trained with the small images. So you can see the model is getting classified. So after the model is getting after the model is prepared, I've saved here as the saved model. I'm reloading it and converting the model into TensorFlow Lite version. So you can see it has 5 classes. So once the model, so whatever the model I have uploaded it to the out here, and I'm accessing it using note from model and checking the predictions and all. Everything is working fine here. Once the model is prepared, I use this code to convert into two versions of TensorFlow Lite. So one is the quantized version and one is a simple version. So once the model is converted, it has been saved to the TensorFlow this directory. You can directly right click here and download the model. I have also uploaded some images and checked it. So you can see the input images is of 2 to 4 cross 2 to 4, and the output is the predicted class. It is from the class 3. So everything is running fine here. Once the model is ready, you can put it into the streaming assets of your Unity. So you must be thinking why you are using TensorFlow, because for this you need TensorFlow Lite model. So we converted the model into TensorFlow Lite. So you can use this package. You can always check the version of the package. So it is using TensorFlow 2.3.0, and this is my basic setup. So I've just for the visual representation, I put the image in the raw, and I'm using this raw image, and I'm using this as a raw image dot texture to give it to the TensorFlow. And once you click the button, it will give the output. So I'll just show you the output. So once you click it, you'll get it is saying that 94% it is from the first class. So for the verification, we can go here, we can check here, see the image, both are the same. So that is for the first class. Similarly, you can change the image here. You can do the prediction. I guess the image is from the second or third class. Let me see. It is from the third category. So it is working perfectly fine. I'll go to the script. So this is the 2 classes. So I'm loading this model from the streaming asset su.tflite, and on button click I'm invoking this function. So Let's go to the function. So once you get the model, right, this is the way, this is, you can check the model input and the output using these two commands, and I'll just show you the result. So you can see it is taking 1 comma 2 to 4 comma 2 to 4 in cross 3. 2 to 4 is the width and height as we did for the training, and 3 is the channel. And you can see the output is of 1 comma 2 1 comma 5. So we are getting 5 outputs, out of which 95% is of the third category. So as usual, we will give this to the, we'll give this texture to the tensor, and we'll convert it to the tensor and set input tensor data, and we invoke the interpreter and get the output. So once we get the output, we'll check the output by, we can use a for loop, or simply I just need it in different variables, so I'm doing it like this, and we print it out. So it's very simple. Like this way you can use any model to train any trained model in Unity. Just you have to do whatever the model you get, you have to convert it into the TensorFlow Lite, and you have to check the input and output, and you can easily classify the model. So it is a very simple version, but quite effective thing, I think. So you like the tutorial, stay tuned for more tutorials. Thanks.